3, 2, 1, go! Oh God! Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. We're on another wild camp tonight. I've got some mates as well with me, so should be a good one. I've stocked up on my whiskey. I've got 2 flasks tonight, so yeah man, we'll see how that turns out. We've got this lovely river running through here, so the plan is we're just going to get set up quickly and then we're going to go straight in there whilst the sun's still out. We're going to have a dip in this water. It's going to be a good one this. Stay tuned. Right then, so yeah, I found some friends on this camp. This is Josh.
How we doing?
This is Jack.
How we doing?
We've got Luna here in the background. She's looking after us tonight. Hello Luna. It's lovely out here, so we're just gonna go. I'm just gonna go bivvy bag. Josh as well.
Yeah.
So you've got the
British Army bivvy. It's a nice night, so why not?
We're gonna get some firewood and we're just gonna go straight in this river like before it gets too dark.
Skinny dip away.
Skinny dip it.
For fire. Oh, for firewood. It looks like a lot of it's washed up, you know. Loads of it. Hey Luna. What you doing, girl?
I like doing big chunks of it. Oh, that's not my whiskey, that's your whiskey. Oh, smoky that. You made it look easy, that normally I have to keep blowing on mine to get it going.
I don't know, you start off soft, don't you?
Aye. It's the easiest way to do it. One of my other camps, I woke up in the morning and I tried to get the fire back on the go and I was being lazy and I just tried to use a lighter.
Aye.
And I couldn't do it. I was like,
Yeah,
I was stood there like trying to do it for ages. And then I went back to my charred cloth and then straight away I got it done. So it's the easiest way to do it in my eyes now.
No.
Are you coming in?
I might do. I've only got boxes.
Luna
Like.
coming as well, do you think?
Oh, I've only got my boxes. She's never been in yet, has she?
No, it hasn't been in fully like.
But if the pack goes
So
in,
you might get jealous. You build up your tolerance to the cold water, don't you?
I've lost mine now. Like,
I can't
definitely.
remember the last time I've been in. And then I remember one time around yours, I was sleeping on your floor and then your brother came in the room with a BB gun and I was sleeping and your hand must have been like that. I remember it because it hurt, right? And then he came and he just went, boom, right in my hand. It hurt. I got woke up to boom, BB gun.
He's horrible. When we shot me in the lip with the BB gun, that was awful. I mean, you get all our Nerf guns, then we upgraded the BB guns. We used to like bang, shoot each other across the barricades like that. And then I got shot in the lip and I was like, ah, because the immense pain of getting shot with a BB gun in the lip. And my BB gun was pure metal like. I was annoyed and I just launched it down the landing at him like.
You saved my life one time, do you remember that? Probably a few times, but I remember one specific time. Do you remember?
Oh no, I remember exactly what you're talking about.
About
Yeah,
the go-kart.
yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't save your life.
Ew,
I
I
saved you
lost-
some broken ribs or something. My granddad made us bogies. Did you see that one?
Bogies.
Like a gravity go-kart sort of thing. Like, oh, that is a big part of my childhood. That bogie.
It was nearly the end of my childhood. The end of my life. I remember you were pushing us, and then I just kind of lost control, and I was like,
because it was wobbly.
I just felt like a rag doll, and I was like boom, boom, and I was going over the top of it. But then you like were like and stopped it, and then I was like, you just saved my life. I felt like I was gonna die, honestly. Okay guys, so as you can probably tell, the daylight's gone away a little bit. We've just been catching up, man. It's good to be back around some good friends. But yeah, we got a bit carried away. I'm about she's had a few too many. I've almost done this now. What about you?
I'm halfway down and I've had a can.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a bit pissed as well.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah.
I warned you, I had 2 whiskey flasks out tonight, so it was always going to end up this way. But yeah.
I have 2 as well. I'm only halfway down this one, so I could get naughty, like, you know what I mean?
I'm beating you, man. Yeah. So yeah, the sun's going down, but still, we're still going to take a dip in this river. We're going to go down now. We've got the fire to come back to warm us back up. Luna, she's just been an absolute gangster. Right, let's go for a swim then. Go for a swim! Swim! Right. It's pretty dark now. You can clearly tell, but it's not going to stop us. This guy, he's the expert with wild swimming and that, like, so he's got some top advice for us right now.
Well, it's just because it's absolutely freezing. We need to...
It's kind of cold.
We need to get our clothes off at the same time. We need to get in at the same time. We need to drop our chests at the same time. We need to get near that fire at the same time.
We're dunking in there, like, we're not just going to go in and dip our toes in, yeah.
Knackers in first. Chest in second.
Once your knackers are in, then you're good. You're good to go. So, right, let's do it.
Oh Jesus! Vikings, Viking blood. That's a new video.
Come on.
The balls are in.
Yeah. Woohoo! Come on! Get your balls in! Get your balls in! Your balls are in. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Head?
Maybe. I might wash me hair. It burns. Oh, burns, burns, burns. Through the fire. 10's enough. 5's enough. Whatever it was for me. In the fucking...
The thing is, yeah, this happens every time to me. We go in there, feel freezing, but you walk, like now. You come out and like I'll dry myself off now and I'll feel warm and I'll sit by that fire and I'll be sweating.
It's a survival thing, right? Like if you fall into the river when it's like icy, which it's not far off, like your body makes you feel warm for a bit, and that's why you're not supposed to panic. You're supposed to just lie there, be still, breathe, and you won't die of cold shock, and then you swim to the side. After about a minute, 30 seconds, a minute or whatever, swim to the side, you'll be alright.
How did you get dressed so quick?
Oh, I was a man on a mission when I came out, like.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
Right guys, first of all I just want to say a big thank you to anyone who's made it this far into the video. It's much appreciated. Unfortunately it kind of all falls apart at this point, and to be honest I just didn't think we had enough footage. When we came back from swimming, we just sat around the campfire, cooked up some food, and we just sat there for hours drinking whiskey and chatting on. At that moment in time I just kind of thought, oh, we've not got enough footage here, so I kind of abandoned filming. Which actually, when I've come back home and I'm looking through all the footage, there's some good stuff in there, so I've decided to show it anyways. But yeah, it kind of falls apart at the end here. I didn't really capture any more going forward, so big lesson learned on my part here. Always keep filming. I do want to add one last thing to the video. The temperatures dropped pretty low in the middle of the night. It stated it was 1 degree Celsius, but as you can see, there was a layer of frost all on the sand. Even my bivvy bag, I ended up having a lot of condensation build up, and actually I had like a layer of ice between my bivvy bag and my sleeping bag. So yeah, that was a new experience, but we stayed warm, we were close to the campfire and that. So but yeah, this is where it ends for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Mm.